We're at the Burnett Science Building for the 4th of July, and we're going to go to the vending machine.
Yeah, it's actually 4th of July.
Yay! 4th of July! Fireworks!
Fireworks. Oh, they have a snack.
Ooh, they have a snack one.
They also have
Snacks. What snacks do you want? What snacks you want, Little Rock?
I don't.
Oh, decide fast.
Let's get the.
Let's see, they got M&M's, they got M&M's and gum and mints and sticky buns and oatmeal cream pies and chips. And
They got the Pringles.
Yeah, they got the little Pringles.
I've never seen that before.
Okay, that's 1, 0,
3. I haven't. Oh, wait, that's it. Oh, we gotta put money in there.
It says make a select. What does it say? How much?
Yeah, well, it should. 3.
$2. Whoa, insufficient credit. Okay, so $2. How much is $2?
Well, 3 is 50 cents, and or actually 3 is 70. Or
5. How many is $1?
4.
Okay, and you need how many dollars?
4 again. I don't know.
No, it said you maybe need how many dollars did this say you needed? $2?
Yeah.
So you need 4 for the first dollar and 4 for the second dollar. And 4 plus 4 is? How many fingers do you have not counting your thumbs? Don't count the thumb. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So 8.
8. Okay. Now, if you hold the camera, I'll get out the quarters. Because I'm a really bad photographer while I'm trying to fish out quarters. See, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 8 quarters. Back up a little bit so it shows that you're getting money counted. And that is 1, 0, 3, and then I think you have, there's just mentioned the product, and it's right there.
It always has to drop.
Oh, yeah. And you have?
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar Pringles. Yummy. And?
That's it.
Bye.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And ring that